Good morning students and welcome to the class. Today we are going to start a new chapter in our English literature book, chapter number 9. And the name of the chapter is Crow Boy. Name of the chapter is Crow Boy. Now you are thinking how a name of the boy will be a crow. So for this we have to read the chapter. But before reading the chapter, first we will see the hard words and words meaning. So first we are looking at the hard words. So listen carefully and watch carefully. The first hard word is D-E-L-I-G-H-T. F-U-L. Delightful. The first hard word is delightful. And what is the meaning of delightful? Means in a pleasant manner. Happily, pleasant. That is known as delightful. The second is T-R-U-D-G-E-D. Trust. T-R-U-D-G-E-D. Trust. D is silent here. I am not saying turgid. Trust. And the meaning of trust is when someone is walking with a small steps and slowly, that is known as the trust. When we are walking with the small heavy steps. Okay. Third is S-T-R-E-T-C-H-E-D. Stressed. What is the third one? Stressed. Stressed everyone knows. Normally when we are just doing a rubber band or anything like this means we are stretching it. Stressed. Okay. The fourth one is A-N-N-O-U-N-C-E-D. Announced. What is the fourth one? Announced. Announced means when we are declaring something at the front of many people, that is known as announced. Okay. Four hard words are there. Delightful, trust, stressed, announced. Now we will see the words meaning. First word is N-I-C-K, nick, N-A-M-E, name. Nickname. Nickname means a familiar or humorous name given to a person. Nickname, a familiar means if a family person is giving a name or your friend or anyone a humorous name given to a person is known as the nickname. For example, if a person is here whose name is Sumit, okay? Name is Sumit. The real name is Sumit, but his nickname, which is given by his family, that is the Sonu. So Sonu will be a nickname, okay? जो हम प्यार से छोटा नेम बोलते हैं और कई बार जो हमारे फ्रेंड्स होते हैं मजाक में भी हमारा कोई दूसरा नेम निकाल देते हैं, that is known as the nickname, okay? Okay, what's your nickname? Tell first. Yes, everyone has a nickname. Mostly have the nickname. The second, I-M-I-T-A-T-E. Imitate. Second is imitate. And the meaning of imitate is make the same sound. When you are making the same sound of other, that means imitate. That means imitate. Mostly person you have seen, they can just speak and make a sound of any other person or any other, we can say of an animal. So it means they are imitating them. Okay, imitate. The third is we could not believe our eyes. This is a phrase here. We could not believe our eyes. And the meaning of this phrase is that we were very surprised. When you are very surprised, you can say that I can't believe on my eyes. Okay? I can't believe on my eyes. Third one is struck with wonder. Struck with wonder, and the meaning of struck with wonder is surprised. Okay? What's meaning? Nickname, a familiar or humorous name given to a person. Imitate, make the same sound. We could not believe our eyes means we were very surprised. Struck with wonder also means the surprised. This is a verb, hard words and words meaning that you have to learn and you have to do in your notebook also in a very good manner. Now we will read the chapter. Chapter number 9, Crow Boy. Yes, the name of the chapter is Crow Boy. So now we start the chapter. On the first day of our village school in Japan, there was a boy missing. Yes, this is a story of a boy, and the story is of which place? Yes, the story is of a Japan, of a small village, and the story is related to the school, village school, and that is in Japan. On the first day, our village school in Japan, there was a boy missing. Now the story is telling that on the first day of our village school, स्कूल का जो पहला दिन था जापान में, हमारे गांव के स्कूल का very first day ही the boy was missing. एक जो boy था वो missing था, means नहीं मिल रहा था, वो क्लास में स्कूल में नहीं मिल रहा था. He was missing. He was found hiding in the dark space under the schoolhouse floor. And where did he find? Find him? They found him under the dark space of the schoolhouse floor. और वो स्कूल का जो हाउस फ्लोर के अंदर की जो डार्क जगह थी, अंधेरी जगह, वहाँ पर वो छिपा हुआ मिला. None of us knew him, but we immediately nicknamed him Chibi, as he was very small. हम में से कोई उसे जानता नहीं था because it was the first day of school, and when it is the first day for in a school and we don't know what the name of other students or the classmates, so the same they also don't know about that boy. So they nicknamed him and they given the name Chibi. And what was the meaning of Chibi? Chibi means very small. Nickname means the name that we give to anyone in a humorous way or in a loving way. हमारे पेरेंट्स भी हमारा जो घर का नेम रखते हैं, पेट नेम, that is the निकनेम. और समटाइम्स जब हम हमारे फ्रेंड्स, मोस्टली फ्रेंड्स को मजाक में कोई उनको एक निक नेम दे देते हैं, आ ह्यूमरस नेम, मजाकिया एक जो नाम दे देते हैं, डेट इज नॉन एज निकनेम. सो दिस बॉय, यू कैन सी हियर, दिस बॉय, हिज हाइट वॉज नॉट सो मच, सो द स्टूडेंट्स गेव हिम द नेम Chibi. Okay, now we will read about this boy Chibi. Chibi was a strange boy. He would watch up the ceiling on his wooden desktop with great interest for hours. They are saying that this boy Chibi was some strange because 4 hours means बहुत से घंटे के लिए वो आराम से सीलिंग को, मीन्स छत को, या फिर खुद की क्लास में जो उसकी वुडन डेस्क थी उसको वह घंटों तक बहुत ही इंटरेस्ट से देखता रहता था. He would study a patch of cloth on a boy's shoulder. दूसरे बॉय के शोल्डर पे जो कपड़ा लगा हुआ है, द पैच इज देयर, वो उससे भी बहुत ही इंटरेस्ट से देखता था. He would look out of the window all round the year and find delightful surprises even when it rained. क्लास में जब स्टडी होती थी, पढ़ाई होती थी, तब भी उसका ध्यान विंडो के बाहर होता था, और यहाँ तक कि वो रेनी सीजन में, रेनिंग के टाइम भी कुछ सरप्राइजेस बाहर ढूंढ ही लेता था. एंड ही जस्ट डू दिस थिंग होल ईयर, और वो ऐसा पूरे साल करता था. मीन्स ही वॉज नॉट interested in the studies. On the playground, if he closed his eyes, Chibi could hear many different sounds near and far. He could hold and watch insects and groups which we would not even look at. On the playground also, and in the playground what he do, he closed his eyes. You can see in the picture also, all the children are playing, but Chibi is just sitting here and other children are playing. So in the playground also he just listen a different sounds near and far. वो अपनी आंखें बंद करके बहुत सारी साउंड सुनता रहता था. ही कुड होल्ड, वह ग्राउंड के गार्डन में ग्रास पे जो छोटे इंसेक्ट्स होते थे उनको बहुत ध्यान से देखता था. इवन ही ग्रब देम, उन्हें वो उठाकर भी उनको बहुत ही ध्यान से देखता रहता था. सो दे हैव यूज अ वर्ड strange boy for Chibi because he was something different from others. He didn't like to study, even he did not play more with the students because they have given him the nickname Chibi, and no one was so much happy with that boy. So we left Chibi alone. He was a strange boy, as they said, so all his classmates left him alone. इसलिए उसकी classmates उससे कोई बात नहीं करते थे, उसका कोई भी friend नहीं था. Understand? Yes. After then, he trudged to school and went back home on his own every day, learning nothing in class. He trudged to school means when we are just walking so slowly with heavy steps, that is known as trudged. So वो स्कूल से घर जाता और घर से स्कूल आता. कैसे? alone. Okay, on his own, learning nothing in class. और क्लास में वह कुछ पढ़ता नहीं था because he spent his time in watching the ceiling, the benches, the clothes और आउट ऑफ द विंडो. क्योंकि वो विंडो के बाहर देखता, वो स्टडी में कभी वो इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेता था और वो क्लास में कुछ भी सीख के घर कभी नहीं जाता था. एंड सो 5 years passed till. इसी तरह से 5 years पास हो गए. We reached the 6th grade. Now these all students are in which class? Yes, 6th. The last class in school. Our new teacher, Mr. Aizop, was a friendly man with a kind smile. Yes, and so 5, same like this. Chibi was not interested even till now. Last 5 years हमने उससे बातें नहीं की. किससे? चिबी से. हमने उससे फ्रेंडशिप नहीं की क्योंकि वो हमें स्ट्रेंज बॉय लगता था, थोड़ा अलग लगता था. और लाइक दिस वी रीच्ड इन, अभी कौन सी क्लास में पहुंच गए हैं? इन द 6th grade. और तभी इनके स्कूल में एक नए टीचर आए हैं. मे बी ही इज इन द 6th standard. देयर इज अ टीचर एंड देयर न्यू टीचर नेम इज मिस्टर आइजॉप. एंड दिस मिस्टर आइजॉप, देयर टीचर वॉज अ फ्रेंडली मैन एंड हैड अ काइंड स्माइल. उनके फेस पे हमेशा स्माइल रहती थी और वो सबसे फ्रेंडली बिहेव करते थे. He frequently took us to the hilltop behind the school. वो हमें frequently means the thing that just moves continuously after a period of time. वो हमें कभी कभार स्कूल के पीछे वाले हिल टॉप एरिया में भी ले जाते थे. While we played, he often spent time talking to Chibi. हम सब खेलते थे लेकिन जो हमारे टीचर थे मिस्टर आइजॉब, वो अपना टाइम चीबीस के साथ बात करने में स्पेंड करते थे. He was pleased to learn that Chibi knew all the places where the wild grapes and wild potatoes grew. He was amazed to find how much Chibi knew about all the flowers in our class garden. He was pleased. Mr. Aizo was always pleased ऑलवेज एक्साइटेड टू नो डैट चिबी को तो यहाँ की सभी प्लेसेस के बारे में पता है. इवन ही नोज कि वाइल्ड ग्रेप्स और वाइल्ड पोटैटोज कहाँ उगते हैं. उसे हमारे स्कूल के गार्डन के सभी फ्लावर्स के बारे में मालूम है. टू होम? टू चिबी. और मिस्टर आइजॉब उसकी ये सारी बातें बहुत ध्यान से सुनते थे. आफ्टर देन later that year, Chibi appeared on the stage at the talent show. We could not believe our eyes. What can he do up there? We wondered. And at the later that year means same as a annual function, there was a talent show in their school. And in talent show, सडनली चिबी अपेयर्ड. अचानक से स्टेज पे सबने किसको देखा? चिबी को देखा ऑन द स्टेज. और दिस स्टेज वॉज ऑफ टैलेंट शो. सो वॉट दे डन ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स? दे कुडंट बिलीव देयर आइज. मीन्स दे वर वेरी सरप्राइज्ड. वो बहुत सरप्राइज थे. चिबी जो किसी से बात नहीं करता, पढ़ाई में भी अच्छा नहीं है, सिर्फ खुद ही खुद में रहता है, एकदम अलोन रहता है, लोनली रहता है, ये स्टेज पे क्या करने आया है? क्योंकि ये तो टैलेंट शो हो रहा है यहाँ तो इस स्टेज पे. व्हाट विल ही डू? वो यहाँ क्या करेगा? ऑल ऑफ दे वंडर्ड दैट व्हाट ही विल डू हियर, बिकॉज दे वर वेरी सरप्राइज्ड दैट चिबी वॉज ऑन द चिबी वॉज ऑन द स्टेज. After then, Mr. Aizop announced that Chibi was going to imitate the voices of crows. Then Mr. Aizop, he just announced. Announce means जब कोई स्टेज पे आता है तो हम उसका नेम लेते हैं और बताते हैं वो क्या करने वाले हैं. That is known as announcement or announced. Okay. Mr. Aizop ने क्या अनाउंस किया? That Chibi, that boy, वो क्या करने वाला है? Which talent he is going to show? That Chibi was going to imitate. कि वो बिल्कुल क्रॉस जैसी वॉइस निकालने वाला है. The same sound as the crows. Voice of crows. First, Chibi imitated the voices of newly hatched crows. At firstly, what Chibi imitated? Chibi make a sound of a newly hatched crows. Means the young ones of crows. crows के जो young ones होते हैं, जो अभी newly hatch हुए हैं, जो egg अभी hatch हुए हैं, उसमें से जो crow निकलते हैं hatch होके, the young ones, सबसे पहले चिबी ने उनकी वॉइस सुनाई. मेक द साउंड ऑफ न्यूली हैज्ड क्रोज. देन ही मेड द मदर क्रोज वॉइस. आफ्टर देन ही मेड अ वॉइस ऑफ मदर क्रोज. ओके. आफ्टर देन मदर क्रोज. देन ही इमिटेटेड द फादर क्रोज वॉइस. उसके बाद चिबी ने क्या करा? फादर क्रोज की वॉइस निकाली. मीन्स फर्स्ट newly hatched crows, he make a sound of newly hatched crows. Then mother crows, then he imitated the father's crow's voice. He showed how crows cry early in the morning and when they are happy. Means he made a voice of the crows that at early in the morning how they just make a voice, and when they are happy how they make a voice. At the end, to imitate a crow on a old tree. और लास्ट में उसने किसकी वॉइस निकाली? किसी कोई बहुत घने पेड़ पर, बहुत बड़े पुराने पेड़ पे जब कोई क्रो बैठा होता है तो वो कैसी वॉइस निकालता है? He imitated like that. Chibi made very special sound deep down in his throat. और चिबी ने एक बहुत ही स्पेशल साउंड अपने थ्रॉट मीन्स गले से एक बहुत ही डीपली एक साउंड निकाली, स्पेशल साउंड निकाली. डेट वॉज कुवैत. ओके. and it was a sound of a crow that is on an old tree. Yes. How many voices he imitated? Chibi imitated newly hatched crows, mother crows, father crows. Crows cry as in the morning when they are happy, and the crow on an old tree means he knew all the varieties of sounds of the crows. We were struck with wonder. हम सब क्या हो गए? Struck with wonder means हम सब सरप्राइज हो गए डैड चिबी वॉज सो मच टैलेंटेड बॉय एंड वी वर थिंकिंग दैट ही इज सच अ फुलिश. Our minds were taken to the far and lonely mountainside from which Chibi probably came to school. तभी हमारा माइंड कहाँ गया? यस कि लास्ट 5 ईयर से हम क्या देख रहे हैं, वो लोनली ही स्कूल आता है हिल टॉप से, अकेला ही माउंटेन साइड से और अकेला ही जाता है. इट मीन्स ही जस्ट लर्न दिस ऑल वॉइस फ्रॉम दैट माउंटेन साइड. मिस्टर आइजॉप एक्सप्लेन्ड Dad Chibi, Mr. Aizop explained, Mr. Aizop explained that Chibi had learned those calls for 6 years while leaving his home for school at dawn and arriving home at sunset. Then Mr. Aizop उन्होंने explain किया कि Chibi ने ये सारी voice कहाँ सीखी है. Last 6 years से जब वो स्कूल आता है मॉर्निंग में और जब स्कूल से वापस घर जाता है एट द सनसेट, उसने उसी दौरान ये सारी वॉइस सीखी है. ईच ऑफ अस क्राइड वी रियलाइज्ड हाउ रॉन्ग वी हैड ट्रीटेड चिबी. और हमें उस दिन रियलाइज़ हुआ कि हमने चिबी के साथ हमेशा बहुत ही रॉन्ग ट्रीट किया, हमने कभी उसे अपना फ्रेंड नहीं बनाया. आफ्टर स्कूल वॉज ओवर वी समटाइम्स मेट चिबी इन द विलेज बट nobody called him चिबी anymore. स्कूल के बाद हम विलेज में कभी कभार चिबी से मिलते थे, लेकिन अब उसे कोई भी चिबी नहीं बोलता था. We all called him Crow Boy when we greeted him. अब हम उसे क्या बोलते थे? Crow Boy. Crow Boy would nod and smile as he stretched his shoulder proudly and set off for his home in the far mountain side. And from around the turn of the mountain road would come a crow called the happy one. Now we are saying him Crow Boy. अब हमने उसका क्या नेम निकाल दिया था? Crow Boy. और ये नेम जब हम उसे पुकारते थे इस नेम से, वह अब हमारी बात सुनता भी था और स्माइल भी करता था as he stretched his shoulders proudly. And now everyone just call him the Crow Boy and he was the happy also. So, this chapter was written by the writer Taro Yashima, and what is the message through this chapter? The message is that every person has a special quality. कि हर इंसान की अपनी एक स्पेशल क्वालिटी होती है. कोई एवरी पर्सन, जो ईच पर्सन है, कोई किसी में इंटरेस्टेड होता है, सभी का इंटरेस्ट लेवल डिफरेंट होता है और सभी का इंटरेस्ट का जो प्लेस है वो भी अलग होता है. सो वी शुड ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्ट अदर्स इंटरेस्ट. ओके, दिस वाज द चैप्टर. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.